Hi, good afternoon. I just arrived from the office, so I will put another wedge barrier fabric here up to that end. And then I will show you how to assemble. I bought the wedge cutter because there's so many wedges here. Yeah, our backyard it's already damaged. The grass is already damaged, and we have a big backyard, so we need to maintain the healthy grass. Okay, see you later.